Let's talk about something people rarely account for in DIY investing, the hidden costs. Not the visible ones like expense ratio. I'm talking about the ones you never see on a statement. So when you go direct, you save on cost. But what if you pick the wrong fund for your goal? What if your asset allocation is off? What if you panic during a crash and exit too early? Or worse, what if you don't invest at all because you're constantly second guessing yourself? These are the real costs. They're psychological, strategic, and behavioral. So let me give you an example. A young investor decides to go direct, watches a few YouTube videos, reads a few blogs, and chooses a fund based on recent returns. Sounds familiar, right? Then life gets busy. There's no review, no rebalancing, no strategy. 3 years later, the fund underperforms. The investor blames the fund, exits, and hops to the next trending scheme. This cycle continues endlessly. Money moves, but wealth doesn't grow. That's the hidden cost of DIY investing. Now, imagine an advisor in the same situation. They understand your goal, pick a suitable fund, build a portfolio, and then keep an eye on it for you. When the market turns, they explain why it's happening and what to do about it. They're there, so you don't have to figure it all out alone. That support has a value. And that's why this isn't simple cost versus cost debate. It's a much deeper value versus risk conversation. If you would like to understand more about this, stay tuned for our series.